Hi everybody. I hope you're having a good evening and a nice weekend. Tonight we're going into our week 5, starting tonight, and we're going to be talking about, this week the topic will be site budgets, school site budgets, and centralizing or decentralizing. And I'll give you an example. Currently, I've been in education for a long time, as I've told you a few times, but I've never had a centralized site budget. I've never had a budget that was taken over by the district office. So what happens in my case is we're given a budget. Typically, it's different budget numbers, or you have money in different budgets, and you could spend them in a certain way. And then you take that budget to your site council, and they approve it. And typically, on the site of a couple teachers, a classified person, and a couple parent representatives. Now, my husband works at a school site where they don't have a site budget. Everything comes from the district office, and so they don't plan. They do is submit their plan to the district, and the district will fund their ideas, but it's a different way because they never know how much money they have to spend. So it's really two completely different ways of budgeting for schools. I think I like planning ahead. I like knowing how much money I have, and I like knowing I could do it. So that's my preference. I get frustrated when he always says, "Well, I don't know how much money we have." I said, "Well, how do you know you don't? How do you not know how much money you have? Because their budget is all taken care of at the district office level." So we'll be meeting Tuesday night. And so our first group is at 6, I believe, 6. I'll actually send out an email. I'll put exactly the times that we'll be meeting and the groups and everything. If you're going to be late, please let me know, just so I make sure I have you on the agenda. Have you on the list. So we'll be meeting there, and we're going to be just talking about San Diego Unified site-based budgets. And then we'll be talking about some of the things that you have brought to my attention in this course and in your discussion posts. So we'll be talking about a little bit about that. And we're going to talk about how we're going to finalize this class, how everything's going to flow in the next couple weeks about turning in your projects and making sure you get full credit for everything. So make sure to get to that in our class on Tuesday evening. And looking forward to it. If you have any questions prior to that, please let me know. A few of you have turned in different projects, and I appreciate that. If you turn in anything sooner than it's due, that's great. I'll be grading them starting this evening, and hopefully we'll be by the time this class is over, you'll know what your grade is by then. All right. Well, I look forward to talking to you on Tuesday. Have a good evening. Bye bye.